faster the better, obviously, because tomorrow doesn't sound any more comfortable, Ray.
No, the heat, the humidity, these are pretty much fixtures in the forecast through the weekend. And then early next week, we'll start to see those temperatures fall back to average. But when it comes to the rain and the thunderstorms, those have moved on, leftover sprinkles out in Bedford. But after that, we're looking pretty dry. We are starting to see some fog trying to settle in tonight. Already down to 1 3/4 mile visibility in Butler, 7 for Beaver Falls, 7 for Wheeling and Greensburg, too. Good visibility is considered 10 miles, so you can see how much lower it's starting to get in some spots. And the areas that had the heavy rain, we're talking from pretty much Allegheny County up through Butler, Armstrong, and Westmoreland counties, where the heaviest came down. This is likely where we're going to see some of that fog trying to set up. Right now, our temperatures are in the low 70s here in Pittsburgh, 74 Collinsville, Morgantown, 73, some 60s up in Katanning. But these numbers aren't going to change too much over the course of tonight. Still some clouds we're dealing with, mostly cloudy skies around Pittsburgh, 72 degrees, southerly winds light at 5 miles per hour, and a dew point at 68. So we have a high dew point, so it will stay sticky, and it is going to be in that muggy range through the forecast here. So high humidity, high temperatures, both working together, and we're going to be sweating it out over the next couple days. So tonight, we're just going to lose a few more degrees from where we stand right now. We're going down to the upper 60s in most cases, some spots down into the mid 60s. Either way, it is going to stay on the muggy side. Tomorrow, we are going to get those temperatures back into the upper 80s and low 90s. Another hot day around the region, and with the humidity, it's easily going to feel like the low to mid 90s area wide. And Futurecast shows that we get through tonight with some clouds and some areas of fog trying to settle in by morning. It's into the afternoon where we get some rain and thunderstorms trying to turn on again. And keep in mind, with high humidity, when you walk outside and you feel it and it's really sweaty, you just know that there's a lot of moisture in the air. When there's a lot of moisture in the air, that gives these storms a lot of moisture to work with to create rain. And any thunderstorm that develops does have the potential to dump heavy rainfall over the next couple of days, even into Friday, where we're going to see the most widespread rain and thunderstorms trying to take over, especially during the afternoon. Tonight, upper 60s, warm and humid, of course, and we're going to see more patchy fog trying to take over between now and tomorrow morning. 90 degrees for that high temperature tomorrow. It will be a quick warming through the day, and with it, we're going to see high humidity and that isolated shot at a little thunderstorm popping up in the afternoon. But you can see we're going to get some sunshine in there. Low 70s at 7 a.m. By lunchtime, we're talking temperatures getting into the mid 80s, and then we're going to add additional degrees throughout the afternoon. Next 7 days, these temperatures go from 90 tomorrow to the upper 80s, which isn't much better. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We are going to have a few showers and thunderstorms around, especially Friday afternoon. We'll get a few more into the weekend, but there's going to be some dry time mixed in there as well. Monday, some storms. This is the point where we start to change things back. We're going to see rain and thunderstorms scattered around, and then cooler temperatures. And by cooler, I mean low 80s, which is more of a typical temperature for this time of year. That's what we get Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So there is some relief showing up in the forecast, but the next 4 days come with those very warm and humid conditions attached. And make sure you have the KDKA weather app. It gives you what it feels like outside, in addition to all the other current information about what's going on, plus hourly versions of the forecast, an interactive radar, and interactive Futurecast built into it. It's free. Just go to the App Store and Google Play and search CBS Pittsburgh.